is your girl Mila B. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just coming to you with pretty much a hair tutorial slash review. I was chosen to be one of the curly girls in a focus group for this beauty salon in Atlanta called Keune Hair Salon. And basically after the focus group happened, they gave us so many products to try from their line. So with that being said, as you can see, my hair is cray cray, okay? I took my braids out. I'm going to use my awesome white tooth comb to go ahead and just get out all the dead hair, all the shedded hair. I will be trying their Keune Care Curl Control Hair Mask. Here's a picture of it. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and use this. I will also keep this in my hair for probably about 30 minutes and I'll sit under the dryer as well because my hair is very, as you can see, it's very brittle, it's very dry, and it just is really gross. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this mask, and then I'm also going to use the Curl Control from Keune shampoo and conditioning. Alright guys, so I did sit under the dryer. I don't want to lie to you and say I sat under there for 40 minutes straight because my dryer, let me rephrase that. I don't have a legitimate hair dryer. It's literally the little blow dryer with the attachable hood, and the only thing about that is that it gets really hot and sometimes my ears burn really bad and my neck. And as you can see, I have this plastic bag being kind of ratchet with my ratchet hair dryer and my ratchet plastic cap. You could use a shower cap, but I feel like I have a surplus of Walmart, Kroger, Publix bags. So just wrap my hair in it. Basically the end resulting of my hair. I have braided the ones that needed straws. I have put straws on them, and the ones that actually curled have curled. Now for me, I've always noticed that the thing that never dries all the way are the roots of my hair. So I always sit under the dryer at least 10 minutes just to get the roots dry. I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna wake up and undo it and show you guys and give you guys a review of the products. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave in the comments what you think, if you've done a similar hairstyle, what products you've used. And yeah, so until next time guys, bye.